Neome is an AI-native conversational automation platform. Neome unifies messaging, spreadsheets, and Drive to automate small and medium enterprises. Neome fits your enterprise perfectly. It is built on familiar patterns, chat, spreadsheets, Drive, so anyone can use it instantly. Messenger-like simplicity and spreadsheet-level efficiency keep automation costs low. Spreadsheet Drive and executable plugins integrate seamlessly into any ecosystem. AI-native reasoning assistants in local languages accelerate employee adoption. At its core, Neome combines the simplicity and usability of consumer apps, the power and robustness of enterprise solutions, industry-leading automation best practices, a store of pre-built enterprise apps to launch instantly. Every workflow in Neome begins with a simple conversation. If you can chat, you can use Neome. If you can create spreadsheets, you can build with Neome. In Neome, an enterprise app is a collaborative workspace built for business workflows. To build one, focus on following 4 components: backend, your data and process engine; frontend, a user-friendly conversational interface; extensions, plug into external systems effortlessly; deploy, launch as a complete working system. Here is a quick look at what makes up an enterprise app. The backend is powered by spreadsheets at the core, enhanced with supporting concepts that make them fully business-ready. The front end is built around group-based messaging, complemented by other conversational elements. Desktop agents let you manage Excel files directly from your computer's drive. Neome multi-tenant platform provides all the essential components to manage the complete lifecycle of your apps. Client devices. Deliver Neome's conversational user interface across platforms. Agent. Connect with systems within your data center or machines. Admin panel. Oversee app usage, history, widget tool, demo tool, and user management. Studio. Build, debug, and customize apps and workflows effortlessly. Store, access, and reuse pre-built enterprise apps. Enterprise virtual machine. Host your app on Neome Platform. Watch dedicated videos that explain each component in detail.